In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a call, or more precisely, a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues inside your organization or connecting with external clients, setting up a meeting effectively in Teams can streamline your communication and improve productivity. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this from your desktop or the web version of Microsoft Teams. First, ensure you've opened Microsoft Teams and signed in to your Microsoft 365 account. This access grants you the ability to schedule meetings effortlessly and integrates seamlessly with all your other Office applications. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice an icon labeled Calendar. Click on this, and it will display your current schedule, meetings, and appointments directly from your Outlook calendar if it's connected. Now, turning our attention to the top right area of your Teams window, there's an option labeled New Meeting. This can sometimes appear as a plus sign followed by Schedule a Meeting. Click on this button, and a new scheduling form will appear on your screen, generously offering a range of options to tailor your meeting proposal. Let's break down this form together. At the top of the form, you'll find a field labeled Title. Here, it's wise to enter the name of your meeting. Select a title that succinctly conveys the purpose, making it easy for participants to understand the focus of the event at a glance. Following this, you'll see a section for Attendees. Add the email addresses of both the people inside and outside your organization whom you wish to invite. For internal Microsoft 365 users, you'll get suggestions as you type, which can speed up the invitation process. Next, we move to scheduling the date and time of your meeting. Carefully select both a start and an end time that fits everyone's schedule. Ensuring this can often mean the difference between full attendance and a lackluster meeting turnout. As you do this, you'll notice the location field. At this stage, you should leave it as Microsoft Teams Meeting. This setting automatically generates a unique meeting link, simplifying the process for your attendees to join. If you're hosting this meeting for a specific group, you may want to consider selecting a channel. This option allows you to choose one if you want the meeting details to be displayed within a specific team channel. By doing so, all channel members can join the meeting and see the related information. Additionally, the Scheduling Assistant is a handy tool within Teams that allows you to check the availability of all expected attendees, minimizing conflicts and ensuring a smoother planning process. Once you've meticulously filled in each of these details to your satisfaction, simply click Send or Save. This final action sends your meeting invitation to all listed attendees, appearing on their respective calendars with a Ready Join link. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This crucial skill not only streamlines your own workflow, but also facilitates better team collaboration and communication. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.